Are you looking for the best sawhorses in your budget? Well, in today's video we break down the top 5 best sawhorses that are available on the market. I made this list based on their price, quality, durability, and more. To find out more information about this product, you can check out the description below. And also make sure you subscribe for more reviews. Okay, so let's get started with the video. The 5th product on our list is the Keter folding sawhorse from miter saw stand. The tools we have reviewed so far have come with excellent features, and the Keter folding sawhorse continues the tradition. It might be a lightweight option, but you better believe that it can hold up to punishment. This slight-looking sawhorse with its spindly legs can easily hold jobs that weigh up to 1,000 pounds. When converted to a work table, it can hold around 400 pounds. It is definitely an excellent sawhorse table. It delivers a workspace area larger than some of the spaces provided by others on the market. Aside from 33.5 x 21.75 of workspace, this tool also has another storage space to keep any accessories and other tools. The design enhances the ease of use. While it is lightweight and easy to carry about, it is also helped by the quick open feature. This feature, coupled with the low weight, makes it easy to store. Aside from the features listed above, a major reason why we love this option is that the clamping options are quite varied. For example, it has a pair of squeeze clamps that let you work more conveniently. There is also a carrying handle that makes transportation even easier. The downside of this otherwise excellent tool is that it doesn't hold up to abuse as well as other options. If you aren't using it for heavy-duty tasks, then you can rest assured that you will thoroughly enjoy using this product. Up next in the 4th place is the Rockwell RK9003 sawhorse. The next option on the list is a versatile sawhorse from Rockwell. Rockwell, just as DeWalt, is a known name in the tool industry. Unlike regular sawhorses, this unique tool comes with a tripod build that makes it more versatile than others you might find. Due to the tripod build, you can place the sawhorse on uneven ground without fearing falls. As if that isn't enough, the legs can be nailed into the ground. Hence, for outdoor uses, you'll be hard-pressed to find a better option on the market, aside from the impressive outdoor applications. This sawhorse can carry weights of up to 600 pounds with ease. While that isn't as strong as our top pick, it is still a decent amount. The sawhorse is constructed from steel, which makes it very durable and ensures that it will last for a long time. As you work on the sawhorse, you can also use it as a saw table. It carries your projects easily, no matter the angle you like, to ensure that your project remains neat and without scratches. This sawhorse comes with padded jaws. It weighs about 45 pounds, which makes it far heavier than our top pick. However, this means that it can take a greater amount of punishment. The downside of this tool is that the grip sometimes loosens, especially with the passage of time. The 3rd product on our list is the Worx WX51 folding sawhorse. This roundup is largely made up of products from some of the best manufacturers in the tool industry, and Worx is one of these top-rated manufacturers. The Worx Pegasus WX51 is a sawhorse that delivers excellent performance and durability. It is one of the most versatile options that we tested so far and that you will find on the market. While there are other options that can carry a larger amount of weight and load than the WX51, not many can boast of some of its features. For example, it comes with a 25x31 surface, which is large enough for most projects. However, even if you feel that you need more space for your project, this sawhorse lets you join another work table. It also comes at a height of 32, which lets most people work without having terrible backaches. As you work, the 18.5 bar clamps will hold your project down and create a stable working surface. To ensure minimal movement as you drill, cut, saw, or nail, the legs of the sawhorse come with a locking mechanism as well. It weighs 30 pounds, which is relatively lightweight and means you can carry it around and store it with some ease. Second on our list is the DeWalt WX725 folding sawhorse. DeWalt is a manufacturer of renown in the tool industry. The company has been around for a couple of years and continues to impress buyers with an excellent range of tools. The WX725 sawhorse is the best sawhorse from the manufacturer and is our top choice of all the sawhorses on the market. There are several reasons why this option stands out among its contemporaries. For one, it has a nice, compact design. As it weighs just 15 pounds, it is a lightweight option that can be carried around easily. Have a new repair to take care of in the home? Simply fold up the sawhorse and carry it to where it is required. Aside from the ease of transportation, this portability also makes it super easy to store. The design is great, but even better is the durability of the tool. The DeWalt WX725 can be used as a work table. The lightweight aluminum frame can withstand weights of up to 1,000 pounds. As you place loads on the sawhorse, you don't have to worry about the legs folding up since it comes with specialized levers that lock the legs in place. All these nice features are even better when you consider the very reasonable price this option comes at. Finally, the top product on our list is the ToughBuilt TBC700 sawhorse. Whether you are a beginner or you have been working with wood for some time, you will love working with this solid, heavy-duty sawhorse. It comes with all the features you need to make your work highly successful. Made from steel and a heavy-duty powder coat, this zinc-finished tool will last you for a long, long time. Despite the intimidating build, it weighs just below 23 pounds, making it one of the lightest options on the market. The materials of construction make it resistant to corrosion, impacts, and other destructive phenomena. It also had one of the best load capacities from all the tested options. It can carry up to 13 pounds of weight at once. To help you work even better, this model has support arms. Hence, you can carry out plenty of jobs on this sawhorse. Due to the telescopic build of the sawhorse's legs, you can place them on virtually any surface without worrying about slipping. We also love this model because the leg height is adjustable. Thus, if you find them too short or tall, you can make the needed changes. Using the tool is super easy and straightforward. The fast open mechanism lets you begin work in a jiffy. Overall build is great. However, we dislike the plastic carrying handle as it feels cheap and tacky. With support for different project dimensions, adjustable heights, and durable materials of construction, you can't go wrong with this particular option. Thanks for watching, and that's all for now. I hope to see you guys in the next video. Till next time.